Yoss here.
And this is Mel, and we're gonna play Trivia Crack.
Okay, now we're going to spin, so let's see what it lands on.
It seems you get to choose what to play.
It's a new math category. Let's see.
Now here's the question. In a recent poll, 2,700 teens were asked, what is your favorite candy? 621 responded that chocolate is their favorite candy. With the 95% confidence interval, what is the percentage of teens with their favorite candy being chocolate?
Our first step is to find p hat. To find p hat, we need to divide the total number of teens asked, which is 2,700. So we're going to write that down right here on the denominator. And then we're going to divide that by the total number of teens that responded, which were 621. That equals out to be 0.23. Oh. And that's our answer for p hat.
Now the equation to find the percentage of teens, first you write the p hat, which is 0.23, plus or minus the confidence interval, which is 95%, which equals 1.96. You then times by the square root of p hat, 0.77, and I got the 0.77 by subtracting the 0.23 by 1, and you put all of that over 2,700, which is the total amount of teens surveyed. And you do the square root, and you end up getting 0.008, and then you multiply these two numbers, and you get 0.02. Now the last step is 0.23. You add 0.02 and you subtract 0.02. And by adding you get 0.25, and by subtracting you get 0.21.
And this is how you end up writing your final answer. 0.21, comma, 0.25.
Now here we go. Let's spin again for our second question.
It landed on the choose what to play category, so we're going to choose math.
Our question is, how do you interpret this confidence interval? By writing a sentence.
The way we're going to phrase the procedure used to generate this confidence interval. Okay. We'll capture the true proportion of teens whose favorite candy is chocolate with a 95% of the time.
Now here we go for our last spin.
We'll choose math as our category.
Now looking at the problem below, find the margin of error.
Our answer is going to be 0.02. The margin of error is the product of 1.96 and 0.008.
Seems like we're all done now.
Thanks for playing Trivia Crack.